see your screen.
Okay, so as I can see, there are a lot of students who have logged into this platform, and I can see there are a few students who are new to this class. I guess they have start attending this class for the first time. So as you are in this FS portal, in your FS login ID, so I don't know which page you are. For that, better this thing, you just click on this explore button. This is the home page actually. Whenever you will log into your platform, you'll come to this home page itself. But still, for save this thing, I'll just ask you to click on this explore button. So once you click on this explore button, you'll come to this home page again. Now you can see there are few rows over here. Next generation technologies, professional skills, featured topics. So you need to go to the fifth row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth row is industry defined and SSC NASCOM certification program. Once you come to this fifth row, just click on the sixth button, the last box over here, the sixth box. Now once you click on this, you will reach to this course. This is a course, Adobe UX Foundation course. So you just need to click on this course again. You'll come to see this modules. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 modules. Now Swati will be taking a crash course. She is taking this class every day and teaching you all the important aspects of this modules. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To start with, see here you people can see continue. Since I've already started the course, that is why it's coming continue. Those who are attending this for the first time or who are coming to this course for the first time, you will find a start button over here in green in color. So click on that. I guess it's a bit slow, but okay. Now once you click on this, we'll come to the first smart card, first page actually, which is this introduction to US experience design. Now you will see, you can see here it's written completed. Why? Because I've already gone through this smart card. But those who are new, you can see it's written mark as complete, but then you can't click on this button. For that, you need to click on this view more. Just click on this view more. It will take you to other page, one other page where there will be a this thing article which Swati will be taking up in her class. Now once you click on that and come back to future skill, this thing your ID, you can see the mark as complete in green. Just click on that mark as complete. Once you click that complete, once you click that mark as complete, you will see it will be written you have successfully completed the smart card. Once you do that, just go to this next page and repeat the same. Click on view more, go back to future skills. You will see mark as complete as green. Just click on that and then your card will be completed. So you need to repeat it for all the modules 1 to 5. Now once you do, I'll just show you. You need to do it for all, and the last card, which is a quiz, you can leave it as it is. Swati will be taking up this today, but you can leave, as of now, you can leave it as it is. The 8 smart card, the 8 smart card. The rest you need to mark as complete, only 8 by 8 you need to leave it as it is. Go to the second module. When you press next, you can see the second module, user experience research. Again, do the same thing, view mode and mark as complete. Go back to future skills and mark as, just in the similar way, mark all 1 to 5 module complete. So you can start this thing, you can start marking this as complete, all your smart cards as complete for module 1 to 5. Those who have not understood it, let me again repeat it once. Once you come to the future skill portal, you will be directed to this home page. You need to go to the fifth row. You can see here there are few rows over here, next technologies and all. So you need to come to the fifth row, which says industry defined and SSC NASCOM certification program. Once you reach to the fifth row, you need to click on the last box, which is UX design foundation. This is a sixth box. Once you click on this box, you will come to the course. Here you can see Adobe UX Foundation course. Now, once you click on this course, again, you will see all the modules here. Your course for this UX Foundation design starts from here. Now, what you need to do is you need to press on the start button if it is for the first time for you to start the course. And if it is not, then you will find a continue button. Just click on this. You'll come to the first smart card, first module and the first smart card. You can see here. Deepa, could you please remove these things?
Deepak is in a fun.
She's not interested, I guess. She's more interested in these things. Good.
Deepak is playing with colors and
Yes.
in the UX world.
Yes, that's right.
In another session, don't worry, we'll play with colors and learn more about it. Right? Don't do it, please.
So once you come to the first modules, first smart card, you need to click on this view more. Then go back to future skills, your portal. Here we will find mark as complete in green in color. Just click on that, mark as complete. Go to the second smart card. Repeat the same procedure, view as more, come back to future skills and mark as complete. Continue doing it for the entire 5 modules, 1 to 5. And where there is a quiz, you will find a quiz in the last smart card of every module. Just leave it as it is. Swati will be taking up this class. Maybe today she is taking for the quiz class. So she'll be guiding you all. I mean, guiding you the answer for all this. After that, you can mark it as complete. Once you do that, you can submit your answer and mark it as complete. So you can start doing it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Shahrukh.
Hi,
I have sent you the mail about the login credentials. I've still not received any mail for that login, and I'm not able to log in over here.
Shahrukh, give us 2 minutes. I will answer your questions then.
Mm-hmm.
So once again, the step 1 was to log into the platform. Then you click on the explore button here. Okay. So Rini will click on this. Once we click on this, we see different rows here. Okay, it's coming up. We see different rows here. First row says next generation technologies. Second row says professional skills. We will ignore all of these rows and scroll down to fifth row. When we reach the fifth row is called as industry defined and SSC NASCOM certification programs. Here we will go to the sixth box, which is called as UX design foundation. Now, when we click on this one, we will reach the course. Here, this colored card, which is called as Adobe UX Foundation Learning Journey. Now, when we click on this, we will reach the course. And thereafter, we have to press the start button here. Right now, it's written as continue. So either or, if you've already begun with the course, then you will click the continue button. If you are new, then you will press the start button. Then you will click on each of those modules. For example, Rini has clicked on the first module. Now it's coming up. So first module, Rini has clicked on the first card or the first chapter that had the first box, which was called as define user experience. Now at this point, your complete button will not be activated. So you will have to click on view more. Now, when you click on the view more button, it will take you to another URL, but you will come back to the Future Skills website, and then you will be able to mark it as complete. Okay. Similar process you will follow for all the same. You'll go on to this arrow. It will take you to the second chapter of the first module, which is called as user experience process. You will again click on view more, which will take you to another URL. You will come back to the Future Skills platform and then you can mark it as complete. You will go on the same way for all the other cards. Okay. We will cover the content of this bit in detail in our sessions. So thanks very much.